Hello, this is Simon Browning, and here's a quick video on how to look up users, for instance, to reference them, see what groups they're in, etc. So I'm logged into the back end of the website, and I'm just going to use the search tool in the top right corner, which if I click on, asks me for something. And so I want to look up the user whose email address is seethroughweb@gmail.com. And I do that, and here's my results. In the website user section, there's a user called testing. And if I look along, there's the path that's located. But over here we've got the groups. So we can see that this user is a member of the users group and the member-annual gold group. And we can also see that they were created on August 26th, which is today. Now the groups and CR date are there because I've actually set up my website user view to show these, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Let's just quickly look up one other user. Let's look up the user, not by email address, but by username. I think Jeff1 is the one I want to look for. And yes, okay, so there's actually two. There's Jeff1 and Jeff1 year. And if I scroll across, I can see one of them is part of the member-annual gold group, created on July 21st. And the other one is a member of just the group called users, created on August 25th. So that's a quick way to look up these users. If I wanted more details on them, all I would do is click on the edit pencil. And when I click on the edit pencil, I get their full details, and I could change the group if I want to, see their password, etc. Let me close out of there. And let's just go to list view and go actually to our users folder, which is down. Oh, I have my page tree closed. Let me open that up. In my users folder, I have users and then user groups, but in the users section, I'm going to expand it by hitting this little plus. And so I can see more. I'm just going to shrink down the page tree here. And so my users list, by default, the user list just shows the username, these icons, cut and paste, and I think that's about it. I've set mine up to show groups and creation date as well. And the way that's done is if I just scroll down to the bottom, there's a listing of all the fields that are available. And these are actually all the fields in the record. And you can see I have groups and creation date selected. So I could even add on, maybe I want to see their email address, for instance. All I do, now I held control while I did that so that it selected the other ones. I hit set fields, and it will add that additional field to the list. So now we have groups, email, and creation date. I hope that helps. Thank you very much.